Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So basically I will not show you how to virus scan your device because it does itself automatically, but I will show you where you can find the info about scanning and about the viruses. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the optimizer, and as you can see right here we've got the virus scan. So after tapping on it you can check that your device is secured. What's more, that here we've got the info that your device will automatically scan itself, so you do not really have to remember about that. And if it will find any viruses, any malware, any actually problems, then it will notify you and it will list here the problems which it meets, and you will be able to remove them. So basically you do not really need to do anything manually in order to virus scan your device. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan or actually check your device in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.